Alright guys, so welcome back traders. In today's video I want to show you guys how I was able to make around $440 profit with my strategy. So guys, first of all I want to show you guys what were my buyers, how I was able to capture this kind of move up to this level. Okay, so if you see me trade the 1 hour time frame, as you guys all see right here, you know that I had my direction and my bias on the daily time frame. My direction and bias is always a higher time frame and my entry is always on a lower time frame. So guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you how and why I entered this trade. If you come down here, you see that this is the list of the time frames that we all have, and right here is the daily time frame. So this is my daily time frame, and what really triggered me to take this trade, if you guys can see from this level, from here, okay, you see that the market was retesting a particular support area. Market broke out at first, came down here, and then broke this level right here, showing me the confirmation that we are still on a higher highs. Okay, and see that the market is still buying, there is still buying pressure since it was able to break this particular area right here. So now I had to wait for market to return back to this support zone. Right, market coming back to this support zone, I had to take my entry on the lower time frame. And then what made me take this entry on the lower time frame was that once price came back to this particular support zone, it started to consolidate. You can see first day, second day, third day, fourth day, before we had this first bullish move into the upside. So after I saw this first bullish move into the upside, I came to my entry level, my entry time frame, which is the 1 hour in this case. And after coming to this 1 hour, I just needed to see that the market will break a particular height. Okay, if you guys cannot see that, here was a major zone. Okay, let me take out my drawing tool. Okay, here was a zone right there. So first of all, we needed market to break out of that zone to show me that okay, the market is now ready to move to the upside. So now another confirmation that I had right here was here. Okay, was that market came to, okay, let me show you guys. This was another confirmation right there that the market was ready to turn bullish. Okay, as you can see, first support and second support, and I was in this trade and I captured this move. So guys, without further ado, this is where I end the video. If you find this video useful, I'd like you to support me by liking and following me in my channel. Peace out guys.